Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Solve the following. Convert 5,55,462 milligrams to kilograms. Now we know that 1 milligram is equal to 1 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kilograms. 10 to the 10 lakh 1 upon 10 lakh kilograms. This is the conversion factor. So what we can say? We can say 5,55,462 milligrams will be converted to 5,55,462 divided by 10 lakh kilograms, which is going to be, now this is power of 10, and when a power of 10 divides a number, we simply move this decimal point to the left by that many digits. So there are 6 zeros, so we'll be moving this decimal point to the left by 6 digits. So we get 0.555462 kilograms. So this is the conversion.